Causes of terrible breath and solutions. Bad breath. Terrible breath is a typical medical issue that greatly influences the day-to-day exercises of so many individuals. The offensive smell from the mouth is unpleasant to the individuals who come in close contact with awful breathers. The difficulty will be multiplied by mental injury prompting gloom. The victims of this issue will be secluded from the general public. This can even prompt conjugal disharmony. Actually, all human beings are bad breathers. The oral pit contains a huge number of anaerobic microorganisms like Fusobacterium and actinomyces which follow up on the protein of food materials and putrefies them. This cycle brings about the development of offensive gases like hydrogen sulfide, methyl mercaptan, cadaverine, scatol, putrescine, etc., causing the awful scent. If oral cleanliness is not kept up appropriately, all will experience the ill effects of terrible breath. The vast majority of us control this by normal brushing, tongue cleaning, and swishing. Even in the wake of maintaining tidiness in the mouth, a few people experience the ill effects of offensive smell because of different causes that must be analyzed and treated appropriately. Some basic reasons for terrible breath. 1. Helpless oral cleanliness. If oral cleanliness isn't kept up appropriately, the mouth turns into the seat for many microscopic organisms that produce offensive gases by debasing the food garbage. Awful breath is serious in the individuals who don't brush their teeth consistently and clean their mouths after each food. Tidbits taken in between dinners can likewise deliver terrible breath due to inappropriate cleaning. Bad breath is basic in practically all individuals in the first part of the day on waking. During rest, there is less creation of spit. Salivation has got some antibacterial properties that help to keep the mouth clean. Salivation contains oxygen particles that are expected to make oral depression high impact. So the decrease in its amount during rest makes an ideal condition for anaerobic microscopic organisms. 2. Food propensities. The primary driver of terrible stench is the debasement of protein by the microorganisms, and henceforth all food items wealthy in protein favors awful breath. Meat, fish, milk items, eggs, cakes, nuts, pear, and etc. can cause awful breath. Some food articles can deliver a specific sort of smell that might be unpleasant. Crude onion can create a normal awful stench. It is said that an apple daily keeps the doctor away, a crude onion daily fends everyone off. Eating ground nuts can likewise deliver a terrible stench. In any case, if legitimate cleaning is done, smell can be decreased independent of the idea of food. An anomaly in the timing of food can likewise create awful breath. Little food articles taken in the middle of the dinners can likewise deliver an awful stench. 3. Biofilm. There is a development of a slim clingy covering called biofilm on the tongue and oral mucosa. This covering is thick on the back part of the tongue where a great many gram-negative bacteria are seen. The thick covering on the tongue is constantly connected with bad breath. Indeed, even a slim biofilm can make anaerobic conditions great for bacterial expansion. 4. Dental caries. This is a ruinous cycle causing decalcification with the destruction of polish and dentine, bringing about cavitation of the tooth. These are delivered predominantly by the lactobacilli. Food particles are stored inside these pits and are putrefied by the anaerobic microscopic organisms, delivering a terrible stench. Typical brushing won't eliminate the food flotsam and jetsam effectively, and henceforth they are putrefied totally. Caries is regular in school-going youngsters and in the individuals who do not keep up appropriate oral cleanliness. Calcium and nutrient inadequacy can likewise incline caries. 5. Gum disease. Gum is a bodily fluid film with supporting connective tissue covering the tooth-bearing fringes of the jaw. The fundamental capacity of gum is insurance. Gum disease is the aggravation of the gum. Because of different causes, gum tissue gets contaminated, coming about in swelling, pain, and release. If the condition becomes more awful, the disease spreads towards the periodontal zone, prompting consistent release called pyorrhea. A few times the disease dives deep, delivering an alveolar sore with the release of discharge. The disease can even arrive at the bone, causing osteomyelitis. All these conditions can create an offensive smell. 6. Gum withdrawal. At the point when the gums withdraw from the teeth, a hole is created which will stop food particles and cause terrible breath. 7. Dental plaques and tartar stores. Plaques and tartar are kept predominantly in the holes between the teeth and gum. This will give sanctuary to the food flotsam and jetsam and microorganisms, causing terrible breath. How to get rid of bad breath naturally. Drinking water. Drinking water frequently works to get rid of and protect against the bad smell that affects the mouth, and this is because it works to maintain mouth moisture, which helps protect against bacteria and germs that cause a bad smell, and it also works to protect the mouth from dryness. Vinegar. Using vinegar in gargling daily works to get rid of the bad smell that affects the mouth, and this is by diluting vinegar in half a cup of water, and it is gargling with it daily before breakfast and before bed, which works to protect the mouth from this smell. Sodium bicarbonate. Among the ingredients that help get rid of unwanted mouth odor are sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, and this is by putting a little of it on the toothbrush and using it through rubbing the teeth and tongue, which works to maintain the balance of oral acidity and get rid of bacteria that cause odor. Eat vegetables. It is important to eat natural vegetables and fruits that contain fiber and cleanse the digestive system, and thus work to get rid of toxins that cause bad breath. Reducing sugar intake. Eating a lot of sugars works to cause bad breath, and these sugars must be reduced, and care to wash the teeth after eating to ensure that they get rid of the bad smell and prevent tooth decay. How to get rid of bad breath with natural herbs. Mint. One of the wonderful aromatic leafy vegetables is mint, which greatly contributes to eliminating bad breath, and this is by boiling green mint leaves in water and drinking mint drink twice a day. It makes the mouth smell beautiful and saves you from bacteria that affect the mouth. Green tea. Drinking boiled green tea daily keeps the mouth from the bad smell, and it also works to kill bacteria that are found in the mouth, and this is because it contains polyphenols, which eliminate the bacteria completely. Parsley. Drinking parsley juice daily is one of the beneficial things that help get rid of bad breath, and it is also possible to put a few parsley leaves, which contain chlorophyll, which helps get rid of the bacteria that cause bad breath. Sage. Boiling sage leaves helps maintain the health of the mouth and teeth, and protects them from the bad smell that they cause, and this is through the sage boiled after meals every day. Here I will give you a recipe for permanently eliminating bad breath. 200 grams of rose water. A teaspoonful of baking soda. A teaspoonful of ground cloves. Add baking soda, rose water, and ground cloves to a glass of water and heat to boiling. Leave it until it cools completely and put it in a clean, sterile bottle. Use it daily as a form of rinsing, and gargle before bed and in the morning. Now enjoy your life and fresh breath. I hope you have benefited from the information we provide to you on HIW, which means health is wealth. So be healthy.